Hi, my name is Jamie. I do developer relations here at Zoe Computer. Yeah, so I've been seeing a ton of people make these morning briefing automations connecting a ton of different APIs. And so I'm going to show you here on Zoe Computer how you can do exactly that. How you can set up a morning briefing automation, like literally without doing any work. I want to make something that will be able to connect my entire life in one. So when I open up Zoe, it looks like this. Literally just going to ask it what I want to do. Like, text me every morning. I'm gonna wrap up a bunch of different sites here just so you guys can see like what I'm talking about. For each of these sites, if you're gonna use Claudebot, you might need to set up a bunch of API keys and stuff, but here, like Zoe just does it for me. You can scrape the web as well, which is where it's getting my Twitter data. So I wanna show my tweets that are getting the most likes, my Twitter account, my meetings for the day on Google Calendar, any important follow-up emails that I got from my email during the night, and also different like and a new cafe near me for me to check out. So this is basically wrapping up Twitter, Google Calendar, Gmail/email, scraping the web for a cafe, and also using a texting automation. So I'm just gonna set that in. While we're waiting for this to load, I'm just gonna show you guys like all the integrations that it does have. Settings, integrations. Zoe has all these external services already able to use. So if you don't use Google Calendar and stuff, you can also use OneDrive. When I press this channel, ways to use Zoe, already connected to my phone number and my email. So I didn't really need to set anything up really that easy. Yeah, so I'll get a text every morning at 8 a.m. with all of these things. So this is called a scheduled task in Zoe, and it's called morning briefing. If I want to change anything in here, I can just use this chat box. I can even change what persona that I want it to use. So if I want it to text me like Reze or Jungkook, like I can do that as well. But yeah, so let's say like I also want to check up on the Zoe Computer account. Also do this for the Zoe Computer Twitter. And let's save that. Run it. And I should be getting a text here really quick. You can see what kind of tools it's using right here. Google Calendar, Gmail, X. And yeah, this is a text that I got. I will get this text every single morning without me needing to tell it anything. I have it all set up, secure. I have this interface where I can very, very easily change something. I can turn it off and on whenever I want. I feel like everyone should be using this. Everyone should have this power to create custom things for their own lives. Putting everything that they care about in one place, one workspace like so. And now I have a little friend, I have a companion. I even have Reze from Chainsaw Man, you know, helping me out every day now. Any trouble using Zoe or anything, please let me know and join our Discord. We're here to help you guys, you know, automate and make your lives better in the simplest way possible. It was great showing you guys this, and have a good one.